Up.
Stand up, stand up.
Stand with it.
Crunch down, crunch down.
There we go.
Crunch down. Crunch down. Stand up, stand up.
Double, double.
Take him down.
Finish the takedown. Finish it, Adrian. Head up.
Man, I'm trying to even head or what?
There we go, Adrian. Go after him. Put it on him.
Jab. Jab. Underhooks. Underhooks.
Let go of the head.
Get behind him. Get behind him.
Adrian, let go of the head.
The corner man job. Okay, listen. You're warmed up now. Listen. Long arms, we jump a block. Okay. Spirit strike. What's mine? You try to take it down. Okay, base. Common sense. Right?
Where's your guys'
Stop kicking so much.
Huh?
Where's your guys'
San Bernardino, California.
Look, he's flexing. He got all scared, turtled up. Okay? Alright.
You want to go to a gym and take pictures of us there? Yeah, that'll be cool. Put it in the magazine. Here, we'll give you a card.
Call me and then we can set up like an interview with this guy.
Okay?
That's cool. Call you so you can come down to the gym or whenever.
I live in San Diego.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So whenever, I'll just put a gym. Brian, do you want to put us on a magazine? Put us on a magazine. Yeah, you got it.
Stay here. Stay by me.
You got one of your cards, Brian?
Stay by me. Just like the song, Stand By Me.
Go. Come on,
Stand.
Yeah, Blake. Come on.
Oh, okay. Punch. Bang. Push kick. Bang. Yeah, look at it like that.
Blake.
He hates you for that.
Keep your hands up, man.
Jab, leg kick. Bang. Jab, leg kick. Bang. There it is. Oh, he hates you.
Grab him up. Grab onto him. Grab onto him. Agárralo.
Push kick. Oh. Rock him, sock him, roll up. Take him down. Take him down. Take him down. There you go. Take him down. Bang. Shoot on him. Shoot on him, Adrian.
Hey, change level. Take him down. Nice.
Take him down. Slam him. Pick him up and slam him. Pick him up and slam him.
Yeah.
Oh, you're winning now. You're winning the second round, my friend.
Smash him now.
Hey,
Smash him.
breathe. Listen to me. Catch your breath. Start smashing him with the hammer fist.
Get up.
And I'll buy you a hamburger after this.
Cage. Get off the cage. Off the cage.
Hey, pull him away from the cage. Pull him away from the cage.
There we go.
Hammer fist, man.
Get that leg over.
Smash him down.
I'm going now.
Put your knee on his stomach.
The left leg.
There you go. Put your knee on his stomach. Knee his body. Knee his body. Knee his body.
Left leg. Up, Abby. Up.
Punch him in the body. Punch. Right hand. There you go.
Butterfly sweep.
Smash your head into him. Smash your head into him. There you go. Now go to the body. There you go. Knee to the body. Knee his body with your left leg.
Cage with your back.
Smash down onto him. Hammer fist.
Cage and walk the cage.
There you go. Crunch down. Crunch down. Body shot. Put his head up against the fence. Crunch down. Crunch down. Crunch down. Turn. Get on your knees and turn. Roll. Bridge and roll. Bridge and roll. There you go. That a boy. Crunch down. Crunch down. Crunch down. That a boy. Good job. Take him down.
Finish
Take him
it.
down.
Finish it.
Come out the back. Adrian, come out the back. Guard. Get your guard. Adrian. Full guard. Full guard. Bridge.
Bridge out.
Roll. Roll him backwards. Roll backwards.
Roll him towards us. Use your hip.
Bridge and roll. Grab him around the waist.
Now go.
Lock your hands. Bridge. Sit up. What happened?
And that's a tap. Let's get up for these two guys.
I didn't see it.
Justin, ask him if it's okay. You want him okay?
Yeah, he wants to go again.
Okay, we're gonna keep going. He still wants to go.
Yeah!
Adrian. Bam, hard. Okay, right
At
down
the
the
end of the
middle.
first round. Go ahead.
Adrian, change level before you shoot.
Right. Come on in. At the end of the first round.
Adrian, before you shoot, change level. Don't just rush into it. Remember we're talking about it? Change level.
I want to fight another round.
Okay, listen. Is there another round? Okay, cool. First shoot. Great job, man. Great job, bro.
You should take a picture of that. That's a good picture.
You got this crazy joint.
Huh?
It takes a lot of day close to me. Joints are good.
That looks cool. You see when he's talking to him?
Yeah.
Supportive coach and trainer. He's a trainer, Christian man, family guy.
Give it up for these two
No,
guys.
really.
Hey, push kick. Right now. Stay light on your toes and a nice one right in the middle. Stay over on me. Stay here. Good. Wait for him to square up. Bang. Here it is. That right leg. Bang. Right there. Hands up. Coming forward. Coming forward. Good. Hips in. Hip in. Hip in. Get your head up. Head up. No, that's not good. Raise and roll. Tie his arms up. Cover. Cover.
Guard him up.
Adrian, you can't let him take you down. Listen, you can't shoot wild like that, okay? Throw your punches and then take him down. What's going on, man? How you doing?
Buddy, you ready?
How many fighters
You ready?
How many fighters we got? Oh, man. We got like one on every card, or one match, I think. Like 6 or 7. Hey, do the same thing to him now. Bang. Oh, right in the booty. Keep working. Oh, nice one. Boom. Hands up. Hey. Cover, come back. Come back. Take him down now, AJ. Shoot now. Shoot. Oh, correct. Fire back. Oh, not the mount again. Cover.
There's a lot of blood. There's a lot of blood.
Adrian, how you feeling?
All right, Adrian, you did good, man. It's all right.
Let's give it up for these two guys. Good fight. Excellent fight, you two. Excellent fight.
Let me give you a little shot of water.
Huh? Oh. You gotta watch out for him.
Just gotta work on some basics.
Okay. Huh? Yeah.
All right, let's give it up for these two warriors here. Excellent fight. Excellent fight.
They said they're going to a break after that.
Good job.
Not bad for a first timer. Yep. 3 months of training. Not bad at all.
All right, thank you guys. Excellent.